Today, we're hitting the trails and checking out another cool trail cam option from iZEEKER. This is the 20 megapixel and 1080p trail cam from iZEEKER. It comes with just about everything you need to get started. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a mounting strap, a transfer cable, and of course, your trail camera. If you pop open the tabs on the side, the front panel opens up. This reveals a nice LCD screen where you can adjust settings, frame up your shot, and review clips. You also have your on-off toggle here. On the bottom, you have a tripod mount, your USB port, as well as a DC in port. There's also another little tab that you can pop out to reveal the battery compartment. This trail cam takes 8 AA batteries not included. You'll also need your own SD card. After you load the batteries and find an SD card, we're ready to go test it out and see what clips we can get. I found a good tree and used the mounting strap to tie down the trail camera. At first, I only got some good clips of me walking the dogs. Then I left it there for about a week. We've had awful weather, but in the end, we still managed to get some good clips of the wildlife. First, we caught some squirrels and birds running and playing in the brush. Then we caught some bunnies acting rather peculiar. I don't know. But just look at these guys boing into the air. It was too funny to watch. Then we caught some deer hanging around and exploring the area. And last but not least, we got this clip of a coyote eating some of the nuts that we left out for the squirrels on the day prior. This trail camera has been so great to use, and it's been so fun to get an inside look into the wildlife. The more you watch, the more you get to learn about their personalities and see the unique things that nature can do. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel, and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm gonna go see what new clips I've captured on the trail cam today. See ya. You gotta be kidding me.